Good morning. It is park day number 2. I did not vlog Disney Springs yesterday. We did a lot of stuff, but it was very chaotic there, and ultimately I was just like, you know what, we're not gonna do that. But we're back for park day number 2. So we are going to Hollywood Studios this morning with Brandon's parents, his family, his cousin, his aunt, and then we are gonna head over to Epcot the second half of the day, and we have some fun stuff planned, so I think it's gonna be a good day. We're going to meet up with his parents right now at Caribbean Beach, which is where they are staying tonight, and they are waiting for us at that transfer station right now for the Skyliner. But we're trying to figure out if the Skyliner is operating because it is stopped right now. So we're not sure if we're gonna be able to get to them when we thought we would. We're trying to get to Hollywood Studios for our early entry time of 8 o'clock. So then we can run to Rise of the Resistance and do our usual order of rides, which if you've watched our vlogs, you know. It's like Rise, Millennium Falcon, then we go to Toy Story. But who knows, maybe we won't be able to do that today. We're gonna try. It's dark. Don't worry, we have ponchos. So I'm walking solo. We forgot the ponchos, so Brandon had to run back, but look how pretty. But that is a stopped Skyliner, so that's not good. Over here we've got Nemo, and this is the Lion King section. Overall, it's a very cute resort. It's just not one I think we would stay at again. We love Pop Century, and just for the value, it's, in our opinion, a lot better. But this is a very cute theme, you know, over here with the animation, obviously. It's art of animation. The drawings and the sketches everywhere, it's really cute. It is stunningly beautiful weather right now. It's supposed to be about 80 today. The weather on this trip has just been perfect.
We made it. We're here.
It's raining. The Skyliner did not start till 7:30, and so we stood in the rain for a minute, but we're here.
Enjoy your day.
Oh, thank you. All right, change of plans. So Rise is down just from the get-go, and so is Slinky. I don't know about other things, but we're in line for Toy Story Mania instead. So this will be the first one of the day, which is different, but that's okay. Wow, I never noticed how dumb these look.
Been close to 30 years. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
We're on Toy Story Wing.
Look how dumb these glasses look.
I think my ears are lost today. Look at this.
Thank you.
Oh.
You're good, ma'am. I got you.
Vivian, what do you got? There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
All right, we just did Muppets, and I didn't vlog that. Oh, I see it. All right, there we go. I just got Pog Gelato again. If you watched our last video, I got that then too. It's super good, and it's over by the cart near Muppets. It's in like the Muppet courtyard, so definitely check it out because it's yummy. Now we have a lightning lane for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I can never say that. And then I don't know what we're doing after that, so we'll check in a bit.
I'm coming.
All right, we're heading back to Smuggler's Run.
Back to Star Wars.
We're gonna ride it for the first time with a full group of people that we know, so that'll be fun.
As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits.
ass lunch.
I'll get you some more Maggie.
So we did the cantina, and we are now heading. Can we not go this way? The scooters are so loud. Okay, we are now going to Star Tours, and it's just Brandon and I now. The group is split off a little bit, and we're all doing different things before we all head over to Epcot shortly. Brandon and I have booked lunch at Woody's Lunchbox, but the pickup was like an hour from now. So we're going over to Star Tours, and then we're going to head back over here and get our lunch, and then go to Epcot. Sound like a plan, Stan?
I love it.
Great.
Love to see the universe. Yeah, but as you can see,
The shuttle was built by droids, and it was fake to put in a bathroom.
You all already know what we got for lunch. Woody's Lunchbox, cherry lemonade, grilled cheese, potato barrels. Heck yeah. Don't lose me in the park.
I try not to.
We are heading to Epcot now on the Skyliner, and there is rain coming. It'd be dark.
It definitely seems like it.
It's
Radar says it's not rain, but
It's Florida. Of course it's rain.
it does rain most days.
You know, we were saying earlier, though, that the parks that it rains at, every single time we come, Hollywood Studios and Epcot. I don't know why that is, but we've never had a rainy day at the other two parks, so yeah.
Right.
It is raining. We look great. We're here, it's raining. We are walking to Soarin'. The wait earlier was 100 minutes, but it's okay, we have a lightning lane. Woo!
Look ahead of us. There's a little dog. It's a golden
There's
retriever.
a
right ahead of us.
dog. There are a lot of service dogs here. And there's one going on Soarin'. Well, I'm sure it's not going on Soarin', but going in the Soarin' line. It's a golden retriever.
System. And while this arid landscape may seem lifeless, it is very much alive.
Alright, I got the tacos de pollos in Mexico. And it also came with rice and beans. And these look really good. They're pretty simple. They just have salsa and cheese on them. And cilantro. Brandon is off getting some margs, so he'll be here shortly.
We'll give you a ticket. It's like a notice, don't feed the animals. Hey,
He's finding scraps that aren't ours.
make me grab you.
Do not grab the dog.
I'll freaking pick you up. I own birds.
Don't grab. I love this area.
This area is so good. I love all of the brands we're doing.
Yeah, me too.
Like an hour and a half, like 90 minutes for it. In the heat, yeah.
Where's Remy?
Remy.
Wow, my hair looks beautiful.
we're gonna get over there.
All right, we're getting our Ottawa apple.
Yeah, buddy.
And then we are going to Figment. And then we are coming back for the fireworks. Brandon, are you gonna sing?
The song?
Yeah.
You can see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing Figment.
One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your field of light can make your fancy fly.
One awful whiff can send you reeling. One lovely sniff can be appealing. Your mind be
I didn't know this part.
I don't know that part either.
Imagination is the friend of man. Get it? Because you've got a wonderful imagination.
Imagination is a blast.
Here it comes.
Is it right here?
So, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
Of inspiration is at the heart of all creation.
Good morning from our resort on our last day.
Time to go home.
So we are actually not headed to the airport yet though. We are headed to the Grand Floridian this morning with Brandon's parents to have breakfast. And then they're gonna bring us to the airport. But we wanted to do like something today because our flight is not until this afternoon. So we didn't want to just go sit at the airport, so we decided to do this. And we've never been to, where are we going?
I think it's the Grand Floridian Cafe.
That. I thought I would do a little vlog of it this morning and kind of close out all of these vlogs because I never closed out a single day. But yeah, good trip, short trip, but heading home to see our baby today. So that'll be nice. So excited to see him. They have the Easter eggs out. Those are so cool. I think so. Either that or they designed them. Oh no, Chef Allison, yeah, so. Oh wow.
Oh, look at that one. Some of those are cool. Look at the detail painted on this one.
Oh wow, that is so cool. Oh, it's the electrical parade.
Yeah.
That's so cute. This hotel is not in our tax bracket, man. But it's beautiful. We'll give it that. All right, I got the chicken and waffles, and Brandon got
The grand breakfast.
which is surprisingly less food than I thought you were gonna get. I don't know why. They all got the grand breakfast except for me. Oops, we're back in Maine, and it's cold and foggy and gross, but we are en route to our house and very excited to get home to see the baby. But I just quickly wanted to do like a little recap of the trip, because I think like we definitely had some thoughts about art of animation and just like in general the way we did things this time. We will never stay at Art of Animation again.
At least not until it's updated.
Not until it's updated, yeah. For the price, it's just simply not worth the price at all. So that's just our opinion. But after staying in Pop Century and also All-Star Music with updated rooms for a cheaper like nightly rate, like considerably cheaper, not just like a little bit cheaper, like considerably cheaper, we definitely will be sticking with Pop Century or the All-Stars in the future. It's just, Pop Century is 100% worth the value. You get the Skyliner and you get really updated, nice rooms. So next time, fingers crossed, when we take our son, they will not be sold out like they were this time. And then as far as how we did things, so we did 2 park days, and then we did a rest day at Disney Springs, and we did another 2 park days. I was saying earlier that I almost wish we had done Disney Springs paired with Hollywood Studios and then had a full day at Epcot, because I think we both felt like we missed stuff at Epcot this time that we wanted to do, or like we missed things with the Flower and Garden Festival that were going on, because there just really wasn't a lot of time. And the Disney Springs day was intended to be a rest day, but I didn't even vlog it, but it really wasn't, because you're walking around so much all day that it didn't rest our legs or anything like that. So I think a rest day in the future would have to be like a true like pool day, and then maybe go to dinner that night. Whereas this time around we walked around from like, you know, noon to 9 o'clock at night. I think I would have rather walked around Epcot that day, got more done there, and then split the other day with Disney Springs and Hollywood Studios.
I think that's a good point too.
But
it just takes so long to walk around.
yes, and it's also under construction still. So part of the center is open, but now they've closed other pathways that cutting across, it becomes really difficult to do that. If you're trying to get from like the showcase over to like Figment and stuff, you have to go all the way down and then back up. And before there was like a path that cut over. So it's a little bit more like finagling to get places now, and a lot more walking. And we just got to the point where we would be like on one side of the park and be like, oh, we didn't do Spaceship Earth, but like we didn't feel like walking all the way over there. It was just like a trek. So I definitely would want a designated day, I think, next time. But when we take our son, it'll be all split days anyway, with him, because he will be little, and we're going to want to do days, you know, partially at the park and then going home or back to the resort and resting, stuff like that. So the trip will be very different. It will not be these crazy long weekend trips that we've been doing. But nevertheless, I had a great time. We did a lot for the amount of days that we were there. We really did. We did like 95% of Magic Kingdom we did, rides wise, and then Animal Kingdom we pretty much got everything too. Hollywood Studios, almost everything. Like, we were very, very successful this trip. So it's good to be home. Thank you all again for following along. If you like our channel, make sure you subscribe to us. We intended to be a cruising channel, and we are now apparently just a Disney channel. But we're gonna put up, you know, all the travels that we do over the years. We're not sure when the next travel will be. It probably won't be for a little bit, but we still encourage you to subscribe anyway if you like our stuff. And thank you all again so much for watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye!